This video is going to be my review of Wagon Data Science Bootcamp. In this video, I will tell you 13 things I love about this bootcamp. By the way, if you enroll in this bootcamp using the first link in the description below, you'll get a €250 cashback. That was the same thing I did too. Now let me just share a few things I personally loved about the experience, reflecting on what made the bootcamp so special and why I think it's worth considering if you're serious about data science. 1. The prep work actually prepares you. Before the bootcamp officially starts, they give you around 30 hours of prep material on Python, SQL, Git, and all the basics. I loved that it wasn't boring or overly academic. It was interactive and straight to the point. By the time I showed up for day 1, I wasn't lost. I was ready. 2. You learn by doing, a lot. This is not a watch and take notes kind of course. Almost every topic is followed by a hands-on exercise, mini project, or challenge. From building dashboards to scraping data to training machine learning models, I was coding nearly every day, and that's what made the learning stick. 3. The curriculum is super practical. What surprised me is how real-world everything felt. I wasn't just learning theory, I was solving actual problems. For example, one week we acted as data consultants, working with real marketplace data to pull insights and present them. It wasn't hypothetical, it felt like something I could be doing at an actual job. 4th, machine learning started to make sense. Before the bootcamp, machine learning felt like the scary black box, but this bootcamp broke it down beautifully. We didn't just use models, we understood them. From regression to clustering to decision trees and even building an image compression model, it was intense, but in the best way. 5. Deep learning wasn't just buzzwords. I've always been fascinated by AI, but it felt out of reach. This bootcamp broke it down for me. We built neural networks from scratch, used pre-trained models, and even fine-tuned our own LLMs. Getting hands-on with stuff like transformers, Hugging Face, and Google Colab is simply mind-blowing. 6. The final project felt like a real job. The last part of the bootcamp is a group project, and it honestly felt like being on a real data team. We chose our topic, divided tasks, used agile methodology, and built something we were truly proud of. For me, that experience made everything click, and it gave me something awesome to add to my portfolio. 7. The teachers are actually in the field. One thing I really appreciated is that the instructors weren't just teachers, they were actual data professionals. So when you have a question, you won't get a textbook answer. You will get real advice, examples from their own experience, and encouragement that make you feel like you belong in the field. 8. You learn tools that real companies use. I love that we didn't just stick to the basics. We used tools like Docker, Streamlit, MLflow, BigQuery, FastAPI, and more. These are tools I've seen listed in job descriptions, so after the bootcamp, I wasn't just familiar with them, I'd already built things using them. 9. You get career support that doesn't expire. After the bootcamp, Wagon doesn't just leave you hanging. Their career services team helps you with mock interviews, tech prep, portfolio reviews, and even introductions to hiring partners. And the best part? You have lifetime access to this support. 10. It's a global community, not just a course. The people I met, both classmates and alumni, made this experience even richer. The Wagon community is huge and active. You can network with alumni from all over the world, share job leads, ask questions, and even collaborate on side projects. I didn't expect to walk away with new friends, but I did. 11. They teach you how to think, not just code. This might sound a bit cheesy, but it's true. Wagon doesn't just teach you technical skills, they teach you how to think like a data scientist. From asking the right questions to presenting your results clearly to understanding the ethical side of AI, it's a complete mindset shift. 12. There's flexibility for different lifestyles. I did the bootcamp full-time, but I love that they offer part-time options too. And if you prefer in-person learning, they have campuses worldwide. If online works better for you, like it did for me, their platform is one of the smoothest I've ever used. It really lets you learn at your own pace, even though it's fast-paced. 13. Financing options. Make it possible. Let's be honest, bootcamps aren't cheap, but Wagon has options to help with financing and even public funding, depending on your location. I was able to get support that made it more affordable, and they walked me through the whole process. In conclusion, if you've been sitting on the fence about learning data science, I hope this helped you get a clearer picture. Wagon isn't just a bootcamp, it's a launchpad. And if you decide to join, don't forget to use the first link below to get €250 cash back when you enroll. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to share more about my experience.